Hello everyone, welcome to the Distilling Insight YouTube channel. We will be talking about roundup and rundown. Roundup and rundown, meaning in order to approximate your figure to 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 4 decimal place, when you rounding up, it means it's going to be increasing the value at the based on the number of decimal places that you want. Either it is having 5 and above or not as the number before the last number that you are dealing with. So let's go into it quickly. Now the way to go into it is to put the equality sign, then you put the roundup. So once you pick on the roundup, then it tells you to pick up what function you want to work with. Now we are having two informations here. The first is the number you want to work with. The second is the num digit. This num digit is going to be telling you the number of decimal place that you want the roundup to be. So let's assume we want to convert to decimal place. You can see. So by the time you click the drop down, it does the same thing. Now I want to explain something very salient here. You observe that this 2.4333 was round up to 2.44, despite the fact that the theory here, despite the fact that the theory that we're having here after the first theory is less than 5, because we are using roundup. We're using roundup, and if you want to get it in 3 decimal places, you can just pick it this way, and you have it in 3 decimal places. We are talking about G2. So we want to get the G2 in 3 decimal places. You get that answer. Now it's rounding up into 3 decimal places. By the time you click the drop down, and you also have it in 3 decimal places for everything. Now if you want to round down into any number of decimal place, it means you want to reduce what you're working with. Once you double click this and you pick up the value you want to work with, even if you assume that you want to round down to 2 decimal place and you put down the enter key, you realize that this answer is giving us 2.43. If I'm picking these to 3 decimal places, just like this. Now I just want us to see the difference between the two datas when we talk about the roundup and the rundown. For this roundup, we are having 2.43396. However, when this was rounding up, it's converted to 2.434 because of this 9. And this is 2.433 because we are rounding down, we are decreasing for this. Now, for the second one, we are having 3.439, in which this 3 here was added to become 1 because we are rounding up. However, because we are rounding down, it didn't affect it here. So that's just how to get your decimal place in Microsoft Excel without struggling to get anything done. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly click the like button and sure to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Thank you for listening to Distilling Insight. From all of us at Distilling Insight, we say thank you. Bye bye.